Good morning. This video is for students and families to know how to navigate Canvas to find missing assignments or overdue assignments or things that are coming up. So if you look, this is my homepage, and most homepages at Herberg should look similar to this. There are buttons down here that you can click to current module, your Zoom class, your book. And then, so over on the right is a to-do list. So these are assignments that either are overdue or need to be done, and you will see there's a due date on each one of those. So you can click on the assignment and it'll bring you right there. So it is an active link. And then it will have instructions, and you can click on the assignment, complete it, submit it, and you're good to go. If I go back to home, now over on the left are some other options too. So if I go down to assignments and click that, it's going to give me my overdue assignments on the top. This is my test student, so I have quite a few things that weren't done by the test student. So overdue assignments, and then here's what's coming up. So not yet due, but should be worked on. And then here's past assignments that are completed. So it separates that out for you. I go back to home again. And then the third place that students can find information is if they click the grades button here on the left. That's going to bring you to a list of things, and things that are missing will show up in red. This one was turned in, but not yet scored. So you have those kind of options. Now, if you click this, it's just going to take you to the submission. So if there isn't one, that's going to not show up. So in order to get to the assignment, you would have to go back to the assignments button and look for it there. And those are all the ways that students can find their missing work. Again, they can go to modules, they can go to their current module for what they're currently working on, but if you're specifically looking for what has owed or overdue, those are the three places that you should go. Thank you.